Kriya 3 Nada Sanchalana, rotation of sound consciousness. Technique. After completing Kriya 2 Chakra Anusandhana, you should proceed directly to Nada Sanchalana. Keep sitting in your seated yogic posture. Open the eyes. Hold the spine upright. Exhale deeply. Bend your head forwards. Try to keep a gap between the chin and the chest and have your neck comfortably loose. Make sure that the gap is quite enough. The position of the head should be such that it is slumped forwards as though you are sleeping in a seated position. Fix your awareness at Mooladhara Chakra. Repeat mentally Mooladhara, Mooladhara, Mooladhara with concentration. Absolute stillness of the body and while holding the breath. Inhale up the frontal Aroha passage doing Ujjayi Pranayama. As your awareness ascends, inhale up the frontal Aroha passage doing Ujjayi Pranayama. As your awareness ascends through the kshetrams, mentally say their name once. Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi. Try to feel that each center is being pierced by prana as your awareness passes through it. As your awareness moves from Vishuddhi to Bindu, slowly raise your head. When your awareness reaches Bindu, your head should be upright and facing forwards. Hold your breath for a short time. With awareness fixed at Bindu, mentally repeat Bindu, Bindu, Bindu. Remember, there should be complete concentration, relaxation, stillness of the body and no movement of the head while repeating Bindu. The exhalation with an explosive sound, you should feel as though there is a terrific buildup of pressure at Bindu and that the result is an explosion of Om. The Om should be chanted as your awareness passes down the Avaroha passage in the spine from Bindu to Mooladhara. The sound Om of the sound of Om should suddenly explode as your awareness passes from Bindu to Agna. Om, and the sound should travel from Agna to Mooladhara, becoming progressively more subtle so that by the time your awareness reaches Mooladhara, it is a slight buzzing sound. Practice Anmani as your awareness descends. Mentally say the name of each center as your awareness passes through them in turn. Agna, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana. When you reach Mooladhara, gently lean your head forwards and open your eyes. This is the end of first round. The word Anmani literally means no mind, no thinking. Therefore, Anmani Mudra can be called the attitude of thoughtlessness or the attitude of meditation. Physically, the mudra is very easy to perform. In Kriya Yoga, it is done as follows: eyes open wide but without strain, awareness at the bindu. As your awareness descends through the chakras Agna, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana to Mooladhara, the eyes should slowly close. Though the eyes remain open, your attention should be on the chakras and the descending Avaroha psychic passage. Your eyes are open, but you should be looking inside. The eyes can be completely closed or slightly open when your awareness reaches Mooladhara chakra. Choose that which you like best through experience. When you do this mudra, do not try too hard, let it happen. The practice is done more mentally than physically. That is, though the eyelids are slowly closed, the important thing is to feel the process mentally. Though the eyes are open, they should not perceive anything outside. This is Unmani Mudra. The state of Unmani arises during meditation. So one may be acting in the world, there is a state of thoughtlessness. This is called Unmani Avastha, state of no thought. The mind functions but without the hindrance of conflicting thoughts and analysis. One is conscious and the mind functions, but it seems to be nowhere. In this state, the eye perceives, but one does not see. This is Unmani. When you reach Mooladhara, gently lean your head forwards, open your eyes. This is the end of the first round. The process: exhale deeply, fix your attention at Mooladhara chakra and proceed. As you inhale Swadhisthana to Bindu and you chant Bindu 3 times and you come down to Agna chakra and come down to Mooladhara while exhaling and you chant Mooladhara 3 times and you repeat the whole process. After completing the first round, start the second immediately. Repeat the word Mooladhara, Mooladhara, Mooladhara. Then with Ujjayi Pranayama, start to ascend through the frontal Aroha psychic passage. 2 total 13 rounds and then proceed directly to Kriya 4.